go. So we're gonna replace this boat tire. So I took the tire off and the fender's a little bent. With the customer's consent, I'm gonna just beat that back so the tire doesn't go flat after I install a new one. So I'm gonna give it a few whacks with that and see if I can bend it back. So after further consideration, we're just gonna go ahead and remove the fender because it popped off the hinge on the other side when I was giving it some whack. So that's what we're gonna do now. So always trust your instinct. If you don't wanna do something, don't do it. I'm just being nice. Taking a little bit longer than it should, but I'm getting these bolts off of these people because I charged enough. So, you know, better do something good.
Oh yeah, just stripped right in half.
Yeah,
there we go.
Just snapped in half, didn't it?
Yeah.
Well, good deal. We got it off. So now we're gonna mount this tire and get these folks on their way home. Very, very stuck, but she's still pushing, so I'm just waiting. Sometimes they get really, really stuck. No. Now the bead busted on both sides. We're gonna mount it. There she is. Recording one hand, doing it with the other. Didn't want to waste any time that time. Always watch out for the valve stem. You can avoid it. Push this side up. Or you can check to see if the valve stem already cleared. That one looks like it's cleared already. Now the tire's off. New trailer tire. Always check the valve stem, make sure it's not broken. Looks good. Now we're gonna put this bad boy on. It took me like 15 seconds, so I didn't even record. But we already mounted the tire. And I just had to blast it with my bead blaster, but the tire went on no problem. Now we're just gonna install it and we're out of here. And we're done. Follow me for more stuff like this, y'all.